Hi, my name is Sage. I'm from Washington State. I am an Ascend Foundation student, and I am enrolled in the certificate track. The biggest challenge I faced searching for a post-high school education was the fact that the college experience I had had through dual enrollment programs was not great. It stifled my love of learning, and that made me very sad and upset. But finding Ascend was incredible because it did not. It encouraged the love of learning. When I'm asked what I'm doing for college, I tell people that I am pursuing a series of certificates from a program called Ascend, which I believe is going to be much more valuable for me than a college degree because I do not know what I want to do for a job yet or a career. And these certificates are more widely applicable than anything I would learn in a college setting. And they help me learn it a lot faster than I would through living life. Attending Apex for the first time was a wild experience. I'm fairly introverted, so it was definitely interesting coming into a place where I literally knew nobody. But everyone was incredibly welcoming and everyone was very caring and kind. And within the first day, I had made a few friends and started to get really comfortable. It was an incredible experience. I enrolled in Ascend because it is an incredible community that's committed to following Christ and committed to excellence, both of which are things that I feel very strongly about and things that I couldn't find elsewhere. I think after a few months of Ascend, the biggest challenge has been missing my friends here and comparing them to the community I have at home. The community I have at home is incredible, but this is an entirely different level, and it's something I'd like to be able to take back home with me, and I'm struggling to figure out how to do that well. One of the biggest benefits I've seen in my own life in my time with Ascend has been just an incredible sense of peace, knowing that I don't need to know what I have to do next, and learning about how God has made me and how there are many different ways that can be applied. It's not like there's only one right option. There are many ways I could use the gifts and the talents He's given me to glorify Him in a way that works well within how He's created me. I haven't decided exactly what I'm doing for my Ascend project yet. I was planning on doing a monthly get-together where I could teach some of the people from my church how to do some of the dancing I learned to do at Apex, and then I would continue learning so that we could do this throughout an entire year. That got put on hold a little bit because there were some difficult things that have happened in my community that I'm still trying to work through. I think I still want to do the same project, but I need to get some advice from some of the other people in my community first. I think I am going to focus on a dance night, especially as an opportunity for outreach in the rest of my community. I would tell anyone considering Ascend that if they are truly committed to learning and growing, that after even a few months of Ascend, they will not be the same person at all. Everyone here is committed to helping you grow, and if you're willing to put in the effort, there will be an incredible difference.